thing is pretty quick for a little 110. Go!
Let's take that. Let me get the rocks off my tires. Look how you did.
Go! Hurry up! It's like kids slack it. Go! What do you think that popping noise could be? Maybe hitting the rev limiter or the governor? Comment down below, see what that is. I mean, I don't know what that is. Sounds weird. My first time owning giving my son a pit bike. Is that normal? Comment below, please. Oh yeah.
Look at that exhaust.
Alright, hit it. Let's see what this baby can do.
Okay, you ready?
Ready. Alright, let's see what the 110 can hold my little fat ass. Alright. Man, this thing is dangerous. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. I mean, this bike is fun. 110. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it fast.
I didn't know these little bikes were that fun, but this is a little 110. There's more to come. We still gotta modify it, change the carburetor, the exhaust, and probably put a front headlight and some tail lights. But I want to thank my father-in-law for letting us use the truck to pick that up. Thank you very much. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Like I said, if you guys stay tuned, this will be ready, wrapped, good to go. And I'm excited for this. It's a pretty dope color. But anyways, this right here, pretty fun. Stay tuned. There's more to go. We're still gonna jump it, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
We're not gonna crash it, but we're just gonna jump it.
Yeah, there you go. All right, signing out. See you guys.